have show and tell with your client whenever possible. Show and tell is a very impactful thing to a customer because a lot of customers are a little tepid about whether or not they can trust you. Show and tell is a great way to build trust. So when you do your walk around on your client's car, if you note any damage, don't just come back to the desk and say, hey, here's this piece of paper. This is the damage that I noticed. Ask the customer to walk the car with you. If you're going to recommend that they replace their tires based on the condition of the tires that you observed during the walk around, don't just state that when you're doing the write-up. Bring the guest back out to the car, show them the tires, show them what you're concerned about. If your dealership offers video multi-point inspections or picture multi-point inspections, utilize those tools. Anytime you can show your customer what you're doing, what you're recommending, or what you've done, it's going to elevate their willingness to trust you, which is a place that you definitely want to be.